Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with the final of my Demons of War skirmish team. This is the champion painted in the scheme of the Marauder. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight, and then sprayed with that purple ink to give the undertone. I get started with the skin using basalt grey as the base colour. I will admit though, I was not expecting this grey to come out so green, and I'm not entirely sure if that's the purple reacting with it. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Adding the first highlight to the skin, I went for a reddish grey. I wasn't a big fan of the Archvile skin, so I'm trying something a little bit different, but still getting the same end. The next highlight for all of the upper areas of the skin was done with warm grey. To tone down that green in the shadows and tie the layers together a little bit more, I washed all of the skin with dark tone. Unlike the Archvile, I come back in now and want to bring those light colours back up, so I use warm grey again, just touch up some of the uppermost highlights. that the skin is finished, I moved on to the armor with army green. The Marauder already has an actual leather colour on them, so instead of cobalt skin like the other demons, I used leather brown for that tattered cloth and the weapon handles. Now, because I didn't think this through, I'm giving the base colour a once over with black brown, after I've already painted that whip on the bottom, so being a little bit extra careful for what I need to be. For those metallic parts except the axe blade, I went for tinny tin, just to tie it in with the rest of the skirmish team. There are a lot of skulls and horns on this mini, and as with all the other demons, they are done with bone white. The axe blade that I'm going for has got a red glow to it, sort of like an energy blade. So for basing that, I'm going for dragon red. I originally intended to just edge highlight the orange fire, but then I ended up putting a nice big daub on the one side of the paint. So instead of edge highlighting, I wet blend the two colors together to create an almost fire look on the blade. To add some shadows to the armor, I washed them all with military shader. Finishing up the mini, everything else but the axe blade get a soft tone wash. And that would be it for the Champion of War, the end of the skirmish team and the end of this mini series, just in time for October. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.